Eh bien, salut YouTube.
Salut.
Salut. Donc, l'épisode d'aujourd'hui, ce ce sera l'enquête du meurtre d'Akiva. J'ai toujours du mal à le dire, hein.
T'inquiète.
Donc,
J'ai le meurtre qui a fait avoir une crise de panique à nous deux.
bah voilà, du coup. La dernière fois, à part la crise de panique générale qu'il y a eu, il y avait eu le Reward Game qui nous a permis d'en
Ah oui, c'est
connaître
vrai.
beaucoup sur les gens. Notamment
Tout ce qu'on
que.
sait, je crois que c'est la tenue, de Ikeda
Ouais.
et des objets, pas que tu pas trop envie de montrer de la part d'Augure.
Et,
Genre c'est tout, rien d'autre.
et il y avait eu pas mal de secrets qui ont été dévoilés. Du coup, Kikida, il pouvait pas partir d'une pièce. Il y a Denden qui
Oui, oui,
pense
plein
être
de
la raison de pourquoi sa famille s'est s'est divorcée, j'imagine. Si je me souviens bien.
de
Il y
quoi?
avait eu aussi les accusations de Taille de pourquoi il s'est fait arrêter. Il y a eu tout un tas de trucs, mais
Ah oui,
je
oui,
m'avoue,
du
je me
coup,
souviens
il
pas
y avait
trop.
plein de réponses sur certains points et tout.
Il y avait le spotlight de Ninomiya.
Qui était un bordel
Le...
et qui a rendu un personnage détestable encore plus détestable d'ailleurs.
Oui, oui, oui.
Anano.
Voilà.
Yunta, je sais même plus son nom frère, Ryume,
On a vu le petit solo de ce même Ninomiya avec Tsugikata.
Banger. Banger.
Et donc c'est la joie, tout ça, et 2 épisodes après, on a le drame.
D'après crise de panique.
Donc, euh, j'ai peur d'appuyer sur le premier épisode.
Oublie pas de me faire un stream comme ça, moi je vois en même
Oui,
temps.
c'est vrai. J'oublie les fondamentaux. Les
Les
fondamentaux.
fondamentaux. Tu m'oublies moi quoi.
Euh,
Ah,
on va lancer, hein. On va lancer, c'est parti.
allez, pire début.
Ouais.
iPads, what the hell was... What the fuck? Get off of him! What happened? I can put it back together. What's going on? Doctor! We need to go get Doctor! Don't! But... Denden!
J'avoue, attends, il n'y a
He's dead.
pas ni Soda ni Rosé.
Ouais. Il me manque quelqu'un d'autre, non?
That's his
Non, il y a
brain,
que deux qui
Denden.
manquent.
We're not giving the
Ah
guy
oui.
CPR. He's dead.
What?
Ça m'étonne qu'il n'y ait pas eu plus de réactions. Je sais pas si
Après,
je
il n'y
dois
a pas tout le monde.
m'inquiéter.
Il n'y a pas tout le monde après.
Oui, je sais, mais quand même.
I believe this is a good time for me to explain this part of the game.
Après, il n'y a pas tout le monde qui... Ouais, il y a pas tout le monde qui est arrivé. Ils sont genre 4-5 là, je crois.
A student
Pour
has been
l'instant.
murdered by another student.
Après, je pense que la plupart des gens qui sont là, ils sont plus du style à se taire quand ils voient ça.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
Pas te le
For the
cacher.
next several hours, you will be allowed
Ceux
to
qui parlent, ils
freely
parlent.
investigate
Ouais.
this floor of the school. All doors will be unlocked during this time, so investigate as deeply as you'd like. After this time, a trial will be held. As a class, you will be tasked with identifying the killer, or blackened. If identified, the blackened will be executed. If the blackened is not identified, they will be set free, and the remainder of the student body will be executed. For this reason, it is imperative that you use your time wisely.
But wait, when does the timer start?
The timer has already begun.
Then we need to organize now! How do we organize when half the group isn't even here? Where the hell is Shishikura? I'm here, sorry. I came as fast as I could.
Shikura qui étaye.
Don't look. But what even...
Comment ça arrive ce genre de bug?
What are we supposed to do? Just investigate? Solve the thing?
Sorry, we're here.
Mais
Mais qu'est-ce qui se passe?
bon, ils ont mal placé les trucs.
You guys see Hirose and Isoda?
No, sorry, we came straight here from the dorm.
Hey, everybody shut up!
C'est leur place de base, mais bon.
We're gonna
Comment?
run out of time. Who's investigating where? What rooms do we need to check?
The kitchen? I feel like that one's pretty obvious. What's the fucking microwave doing here?
Where else though?
What?
Putain, c'est le micro-ondes qui est
C'est un
sorti.
micro-ondes.
Can I be in charge of finding
Ça,
out
en
the-
vrai, ça suit à ce qu'on avait pensé.
Ouais.
You two made it.
Yeah, sorry, we were asleep.
Télé, moi j'avais une boîte à outils.
Seriously
Hmm.
die?
We're about
Les deux
to
marchent.
investigate.
Hold on for a second. We need to set some ground rules.
Ground rules?
Rules that everyone has to follow. Rules that we all agree on. I don't think anyone should be allowed to go off alone.
The hell? Why not?
Because right now, everybody is a suspect. Suspects need to be monitored. Nobody can be alone. We need to group up.
Good idea.
I also think we need to have someone stationed in here at all times.
Ils ont vraiment fait n'importe quoi avec le
Nobody
placement
can tamper
des...
with the actual
En fait,
scene
ils ont
before
laissé
we
des trucs de
investigate.
base.
Ah oui. Ouais.
How
J'avais pas vu
can
comme ça.
you be so calm about this?
Because he can't even see the body. I bet he doesn't even know who died. Go on.
Malheureusement, c'est
Who's dead?
super
Mm.
vrai.
You're not trying to call shots before you even know who died, right?
It's Akiba Yaitabashi.
Look, I'm just trying to get us organized, okay? Where's Hirose?
We have no idea.
I want to go find him.
We need a plan first. How many rooms are we dealing with?
The dorms, the med bay, that weird room outside the dorms that has the chair in it, the caf, the kitchen, the lounge, the waiting room, interview room, bathroom, courtyard, comm room, and here.
Okay, so that's 12 rooms. 8 teams of 2.
There's only 15 of us. Keep up.
Even less before we find Hirose and Isuda.
Okay, so 6 teams. 1 team of 3. Who wants to pair up?
I'll take Bryce face.
That's fine.
T'es
Can
sûr,
we
hein?
just put Ikeda with Tay?
What? I don't even get to say.
Après, je vais dire, c'est le meilleur truc à faire.
Ouais.
It's fine.
Et c'est très bien que Suzu le propose du coup.
Hidemi?
That's me. Sorry. I'll go with her.
You want to stick together?
That works for me, yeah. Ninomiya, who are you going with?
My options kind of fucking suck. How about I go with Den Den until we find Hirose and Isuda, and then we can switch off and I'll go with Isuda.
That's perfect.
Oh no? Do you want to stick together?
I want to investigate alone.
That's not an option.
Anybody else not super comfortable with her carrying that crowbar around now that someone's dead?
One of you is a murderer.
Oh, okay, calm down, calm down. Oh no, you can keep the crowbar, but can you please pair up with Ruka?
I won't get in your way. I promise.
Elle peut pas faire grand chose de toute façon.
Mm.
Trop fatiguée, elle a pas mangé.
Awesome.
You can join up with us, Kumara. Now, who's going where? Then are we fine if I just assign rooms?
Go for it.
Okay. Shishikura and Maikawa, you guys are gonna stay here and guard the body. Investigate the space, but I'm not gonna make you like, I don't know, touch him. We can leave it up to Hirose when we find him.
Coolio.
Tei and Ikeda, you guys are investigating the waiting room, the calm room, and that weird chair room.
C'est comme ça que je voyais sous de base, moi. C'est pour ça que je
Ouais.
comprends pas pourquoi il est autant suivi dans le voter game.
Ouais.
Rabbit said all doors were
C'est pour ça que
unlocked.
j'ai été énervé
That
contre
means
lui
we
au
can check
voter
the
game.
doors.
Parce que
There's
je...
no way they won't
ça
be
se
open.
voit qu'il peut
You
être comme
guys
ça.
can check all
Regarde,
the
il le fait.
Mm.
Je comprends toujours pas son action qu'il a fait au voter game 2, pourquoi il a juste
Then
suivi tout le
you
monde.
guys take the med bay and the courtyard.
We
J'ai du mal à comprendre.
Ono and Yokoi take the lounge, the rec room, and the bathrooms.
Right.
Après, oui, il a du stress et tout, mais...
Is that it?
Ouais.
Break off?
Yeah,
Genre, il a
totally.
tellement une
I don't know how
capacité
much
de
time we
pouvoir
have,
faire
but I
les
feel
choses de
like it
lui-même,
usually
quoi.
takes a lot longer than a few hours to solve a murder. We gotta move.
Surtout que c'est un
Right.
truc qui est
Okay.
développé parce
Everybody
qu'il
go.
est aveugle et tout.
You know your stations. Move out.
Du coup, j'ai du mal à comprendre.
Oh, ils sont coincés. Oh.
Oh!
Why isn't it opening? This door doesn't even lock.
Je sais pas pourquoi je...
Hirose,
Je m'attendais à ce qu'ils aient un empêchement, mais
Ah bah oui, non. Bah, surtout lui, quoi.
hmm. Je m'attendais à ce qu'il y ait un empêchement, mais je pensais pas à ça non plus.
Pas CPR avec un mec, on voit son. Ouais.
Hmm.
Just keep banging on the door then. Somebody'll hear it.
That's the plan. Hey, somebody open the door. We're stuck.
Ils sont où?
God, this sucks.
Dans Medical Bay.
Comme une impression de déjà vu. Medical Bay en plus.
Medical Bay. C'est vraiment, vraiment la même chose.
Allez, essayez
Hey,
cela.
come on, focus.
Et voilà, c'est Soda, il est parti dans les murs.
Dundon, seriously. If we don't figure this out, we're fucked. I need you to pay attention. Please, start looking around.
Duo assez chelou quand même.
Tell me where you were tonight.
Huh?
Kamada showed up after you, right? So you guys weren't handcuffed?
Wait, do you think I did it?
I didn't say that. Come on. I just want to know where you were so I can rule you out.
But I didn't do anything.
Just tell me where you were.
I couldn't sleep, so I decided to use my 3 hours. I just walked around for a bit.
Yeah?
I ended up in here for a little while. With Sukigata, actually. He was eating in here.
That explains the dishes. Can people put their own shit away? It's not that hard.
I was out in the hall after that. I was talking to Maikoa.
About what?
I don't remember! I'm sorry. We were only talking for a couple minutes before we heard Olgura start screaming. I ran straight to the storage room after that. We were just outside the door.
Bit of a weird place.
Littéralement toutes les personnes que j'étais en mode ouais, ils avaient plus leurs menottes et tout. Vraiment, elle vient de dire ah oui, on était tous au même endroit.
Ouais.
Anything else in here?
Donc
Not aside
bizarre
from
cette affaire.
the plate, I guess.
Then there's no point in kicking around. Come on.
Right. Sure. Let's go.
Okay, come on. We need to move quickly. I've got no idea how much time we're working with. Ikeda? Ikeda, hey!
Quit touching me! Jesus, I'm fine.
Fine? You just collapsed.
I just
Quoi?
tripped.
Ikeda, seriously, you weren't even walking. Sit for a second. Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Is it your back? Is it still feeling okay? Hirose wanted me to keep an eye on that, make sure it doesn't get infected or something. He said that would be really bad.
Does someone pay you to annoy me?
Shut up.
Well, I mean, we both know what you do for money, so. Ooh, somebody's mad.
No shit. Just sit there and shut up while I investigate.
Aw, but you were so worried about me a minute ago.
Ikeda, shut up. God, fuck! I don't even know what this room is for! Let alone what I'm even looking for in here. I don't know what counts as a clue.
Jesus, you got so worked up off one comment.
Because I'm really frustrated right now, okay? So can you just not be annoying for a couple minutes?
Fine, whatever. So, what even happened to him?
I mean, I don't know. I guess we'll figure that out during the trial.
At least we found out where the microwave went.
Right, there's that. How the hell did they get it all the way to the storage room?
Il y avait un moment où il demandait où est-ce qu'il était le micro-ondes.
Did you see
Pas de
anything
souvenir.
weird?
En tout cas, je me souviens pas.
Weird? What do you mean?
Like these past few days. Did you see anything weird?
Quelque chose me dit
No,
qu'Ikeda, il
not
l'a
that I
déjà en fait.
remember. Why?
Whatever.
Right, okay. I'm ready to move on if you are. I don't think there's anything for us to find in here. Ikeda?
really don't look like you're feeling well. Are you even hearing me right now?
Right. Where are we going next?
Ikeda, seriously, are you okay?
Fine. I'm fine. Where are we going?
The waiting room. Can you walk?
Obviously.
Ugh.
What are we looking for?
Well, first off, we're not looking at that body. Hirose can handle that shit. What else have we got?
I don't even know where to start. This room is massive.
No kidding. What the hell even happened? Are we sure Ogoda didn't do it? I mean, doesn't that make the most sense?
C'était sûr qu'elle allait voir ça.
But from the look on her face, I really don't think she did.
Either way, if they really did hit him with the entire fucking microwave, there's no way it was Ogoda. He's like twice her size.
So, it was someone taller than them?
Nah, that doesn't track either. I doubt they just walked up and smashed his head in.
I doubt they'd have been able to get very much momentum either.
I'm thinking someone dropped it on them. Like, from way up high on the shelf.
How though?
Moi, c'est ça.
I'll scope that out. You take the ground.
Right. I can do that.
Perfect.
On sait toujours pas si c'est un piège ou si c'en est pas un.
Maikawa?
What's up?
I know you said Hirose's handling the body, but I can stomach it. If you want me to take a look. Hirose will do a better job, but I mean, I can try. Until he gets here.
Dude, don't put yourself through that.
I'll be fine. Really.
Oh god, is this the awful twist where I find out you're secretly a serial killer and then that's why you're walking around with the body?
What? No. I'm just cut off by blood.
Good, because there's a lot of it. Just watch your step. Don't mess up any evidence.
I won't. I promise.
Hey, there's stairs back here.
I think Denden said something about that. They slide, right?
Do they? Right now, they're lined up with where Ronan and Eyepatch were standing.
Ok.
Ouais, donc ça, c'est ce que je t'ai envoyé hier.
Dude, this killer is
Ouais, c'est vrai que tu m'avais montré ça hier.
We're gonna figure this shit out in like 10 minutes. What a...
Le trio, il va durer 1 heure.
I hope so.
I'm gonna see what I can find up
Oui.
top.
Right. Good luck.
Si c'était comme Pink, oui, il peut durer 1 heure.
Hit pretty hard. I don't think the microwave is a mislead or anything. I think you're right that they dropped it on him.
At least it would have been instant. Guy didn't have to feel any pain.
Maybe. But Ogoda.
Yeah, she's probably not gonna be shaking that one anytime soon.
Surtout qu'il est mort devant lui, devant elle, la pauvre.
For sure. The shelf's totally packed, except for... Hi there.
Hi.
The only gap is right where you're standing. They definitely moved some shit around to fit the microwave in.
I wonder how long it's been up there for.
Well, how long's it been missing for?
I'm not sure. I don't really go in the kitchen much.
Not seeing a whole lot else up here. Just supplies.
I actually kind of wish this case looked a bit more complicated. It might be easier to find clues then.
Maybe, but hopefully a simple microwave head bash will be easy enough in itself.
Poor Akiba.
Hey, don't start thinking like that now. We gotta think like detectives. Look for shit and whatever.
Right. Sorry.
Snowball! Are these your footprints in the damn blood?
What? No, of course not. I was careful. Those are Ogura's.
Okay. Well, at least we know how she was standing when he got hit.
Right in front of him. Facing him, by the looks of it.
Then we gotta find out what she saw. Might help a lot.
Do we just keep looking around until Hirose gets here?
Pretty much, I guess. Let's just hope they actually find him and we don't gotta investigate the body ourselves.
Right. Hopefully.
Ils vont le trouver aussi.
Everyone focus up. We got an important room.
Oh yeah? Why is it so important?
Because of the damn microwave? Did you even look at the body?
Whatever. It was creepy. I wasn't gonna stare at it.
What about the microwave?
It was all smashed up next to him on the ground. It looked like somebody bashed him with it.
How long has it even been missing from the kitchen for?
A couple days now, like 2 or 3 maybe.
Guys, we haven't even searched the cave yet. One thing at a time.
Right. I'm just not really sure what we're
Ah, donc ouais, ils ont dû en parler si ça fait quelques jours.
Honestly, I'm not super sure
C'est pour
either.
ça, je me dis.
It kind of sounds like the only rooms that are important are the kitchen and the storage room. Why even bother with the other ones?
Because any room could have evidence. If I was killing someone, I'd definitely hide evidence in an unrelated room. It'd be a good cover-up.
Oh, okay, just don't talk like that, please. What are we seeing?
Not much, aside from a bunch of plates left out, since nobody here does their own fucking dishes.
Because you and Tay always do them.
Because we have to. Because nobody else does them.
Anything else?
Not really. Let's hit the kitchen.
What? Ew, gross!
What is it?
There's a shitload of blood in here!
What?
Oh.
In the trash?
Let me see.
Okay, that's something to note, I guess, even if it doesn't make any sense. It looks old, though. I don't think this is even related to the case.
That makes it even weirder.
God, I don't know how people eat in here. This room just freaks me out now. Voter game really ruined it.
Not like there's anywhere else to eat. Come on, kitchen.
Ah bah oui, ok. Oui. Pour le sang Ikeda aurait perdu, non?
Why didn't anyone question it when the thing disappeared?
Tay and I are the only ones
Akiba
who
ou-
really come in.
Ah oui,
Akida.
Akiba, oui, c'est vrai.
Besides, everyone
des
was
deux.
kind of distracted with other crap.
Non, parce que Akiba, c'est juste... Ah oui, non, Akiba pour le premier jour, tu veux dire?
Non, mais Akiba, il a juste fait perdre du sang tout le temps.
Parce que pendant le motor game, il a juste eu un coup
Oui, il a
torse.
juste eu un truc dans le ventre, oui, mais.
Hmm.
Ouais, c'est pour ça que j'ai les deux, c'est parce que juste Akiba, il perd tout le temps du sang, pardon.
Ouais.
Tay definitely noticed, though. We talked about it. Figured it was probably just the rabbit messing with us or something.
Okay, well, I need to know exactly when it disappeared. That sounds really important.
I mean,
Ouais,
like I
très
said,
important.
it was 2 or 3 days ago.
That's not specific enough.
I don't know! It was gone by the time I came in to make dinner after the phobia game thing.
Right, okay.
Donc,
Thank you.
3 jours.
Oh putain, ça fait longtemps.
Someone moved that thing while they were cuffed. Someone would have mentioned if their cuff partner moved to hold microwave, right?
You'd think so.
À 3
Definitely
heures.
something to keep in mind.
See anything else in here?
Not much, no. Mutsuko, could you check the freezer?
Yeah, whatever.
Jour 4, je crois, Phobia Game.
Seeing anything on your end?
Ouais, du
Donc,
coup, on a pas encore.
2 jours. Sans compter le jour 7.
Enough to notice any huge differences, though.
Nothing in the freezer.
On n'a pas revu le truc,
I
du coup,
don't
c'est pour
think
ça.
they really did anything in here aside from swipe the microwave.
Then I guess we move on to the next room. I just feel like we're missing so many clues.
Come on, you're not a detective. This whole thing's kind of fucked anyway. Let's just do what we can.
Right.
Okay, where do we even start? The girl's side? Miss Ogura? Miss Ogura, please.
I don't want to investigate.
But we have
M'étonne.
to. If we don't figure out what happened, don't we die? Miss Ogura, please. He wouldn't want you to die.
I don't care.
But then whoever did it just gets away with it. That's awful. Miss Ogura, if we don't investigate, we'll have nothing to say in the trial. If we miss out on important evidence because we just sat here, whoever killed him gets to leave, and we all die. You think he would want that? For us to die and the person who killed him to live? Please. Okay. I don't know if I can do this yet. Not like you can, but let me try. Rosa Magica knows our Minako! Bring strength upon Miss Ogura!
Oh.
Il est trop cute.
Ogura?
Il en a besoin là, Okura.
Ogura!
C'est le seul moment qu'on a besoin.
More than fully restored! I'm completely overloaded with
incredible! Of course, of course. This
Ah.
first one is Miss Nichiguchi's room.
I see. Rather cramped. But I suppose it fits her style well.
It smells really good in here.
It smells like pizza, Hidemi.
J'étais sûr.
Remain suspicious.
Don't be fooled.
Suspicious of everyone.
Right.
Though in earnest, I'm not seeing anything notable here. Come, Hidemi, to the joint bathroom.
Yes, Miss Ogra. There's nothing much here either, though, right?
Nothing much? What are all these contraptions?
Oh, their shower has a seat.
I want a seat. Why do they get a seat?
Maybe you could just put your desk chair in there?
That's absurd.
My bathroom definitely doesn't look like this, though. Wow.
Come, Hidemi. Don't fall behind. Next room.
Right.
This must be Miss Maikawa's space. It's certainly high-tech.
And very messy.
Do not disrespect her! Miss Maikawa can keep her room in whatever state she likes. It is a temple.
Et j'ai hâte de savoir quand elle sera du côté des mecs.
A tribute to her.
She's definitely really pretty.
Of course she is. Now, pay attention.
I am paying attention. I'm just not seeing anything is all. I don't even know how I'd find a clue
J'ai
in a
pas
room this cluttered.
envie de savoir quand il va aller à la chambre d'Akima.
Moi non plus.
Right. Come, Hidemi. Let's move on.
Coming, Miss Ogra.
My room.
I don't think we're
My
ready to
room.
check your room, though. Do we? You aren't suspicious.
Precisely. Though we should still investigate my bathroom. It's shared, after all.
Maybe we should start looking out for people's rewards too, Miss Ogura. It might be helpful if we knew what everybody had.
A brilliant idea, Hidemi! Your power levels are rising yet again! You're truly a promising pupil.
Thank you.
Immaculate as ever. Miss Hyokoi keeps our shared bathroom incredibly clean.
Maybe she was washing away evidence.
It's possible, Hidemi. I commend you for remaining sharp. Miss Ono and Miss Yokoi arrived in the storage room separately. They're both suspicious.
So did Ninomiya and I, though.
Perhaps. But I've already cleared your suspicion with my magenta thaumaturge eye, Hunter of Lies.
Oh, good. That's very helpful. Can you use that with everyone else, too? Then we know who the killer is.
Well, it only works once per day. I need to recharge my pink energy, after all.
That's tragic. You are smart to use it on your investigation partner, though, Miss Ogura.
Of course. My mental prowess knows no bounds. Come now, Hidemi.
Right.
Lots of reading material. Nothing is standing out.
I found the box her reward came in.
Show me this. It's empty. She must have already removed the contents. We'll question her further on this.
Good idea.
Onwards to the next duo. Isada Mion. How tragic to be categorized into the female dormitories with their ever-shifting form.
Ever-shifting.
I'd love to. Then I wouldn't have to be neighbors with Ikeda anymore.
Wow.
Point. I'm not sure Miyoshi would take you up on that offer.
Their room is so tidy. Wow.
With such expensive equipment in it, too. We should be careful touching any of this.
The guitar was their reward, right? That looks expensive, too. Probably less expensive with all of those stickers on it, though.
I'd argue the value has only increased with such unique goodies.
As a popular name, I'm sure Isuna's touch alone brings a great value.
I don't see anything suspicious though, which is a relief. Do we check the bathroom now?
Yes, good thinking, Hirumi. Makeup and skincare products, but not much else. I wonder who shares this bathroom.
Well, if there's nothing to find in here, I guess we can go see.
Right. Miss Denden Misao. That makes perfect sense. I had assumed she, too, would keep a tidy bathroom.
This room is so cute. Ah, it's adorable.
She seems to have a propensity for all things soft.
Authentic Japanese Yuki Usagi plush. I'm so jealous.
As a purveyor of all things plush myself, I could easily make you one to match.
That would be amazing, Miss Ogura.
Then our pact is sealed. I will create your Dark Apprentice at my earliest opportunity.
You're incredible.
Correct. I truly am. Now, onward. Miss Kamada's room. I'm somewhat wary of entering.
Why is that?
I'm beginning to suspect that Miss Kamada truly is a dark heart. Her influence over the group dissuades my trust. It makes sense for a gang leader to take charge with such ease, but if she can do it to Ikeda, she can do it to anyone. The group is already following.
I'm not really sure though. It seems like a lot of people are mad at her right now.
Oui, les gens qui l'ont pas suivi.
Oui. Et même des gens qui l'ont
Non, en
suivi.
vrai, pas vraiment, en vrai. Il y a Isoda et...
Oui, voilà.
Qui... Ouais.
I'm sure your
Isoda
light
et Sue.
will guide her, Miss
Ouais.
Ogura.
Bah, même Ogura, en fait.
Ouais.
This place is
Peut-être pas.
cluttered.
There's definitely a lot of supplies at her desk. I didn't get nearly this many.
Hirumi, we completely forgot to look for her reward.
Dendens too. We're seriously messing up.
Search now.
Of course. Maybe this? It doesn't look like something she got from the facility.
Let me see. A toolbox. How sensible for a Dekochari cyclist. A fellow mechanic is one to be respected, I suppose.
A toolbox sounds like it would be very useful though. We should keep it in mind, just in case something comes up.
You're right. Keep it in your back pocket, Hirumi. Come.
Coming.
Miss Ono's room. As a fellow possessor of the treasured O-N initials, I hold her in great regard.
I hold her in scary regards. I don't like that she's always carrying a crowbar around.
I'll admit, when combined with her muscular physique, it can be somewhat intimidating.
I just don't want her to flip out and hit me in the head or something.
As long as you keep a safe distance, I'm sure you remain protected.
Ah, Miss Ogura! Look! This might be her reward.
Let me see. This must be her daughter.
She looks just like Miss Ono. She even has her cool eyes.
Fascinating. I'm sure she'll grow up to be equally powerful. Hirumi. Does this room look spacious to you?
I mean, not really. But, wait. No, you're right. I feel like something's missing.
Right? Every room has the same furniture. And yet I feel as though this room is lacking something important.
Micro.
There's no chair at her desk.
What?
You're right! It's completely chairless! Where did her chair go?
That's definitely weird.
Take note of it! Thoroughly. We'll question the matter during the trial.
I'm taking note. I'm taking note.
Right, What's this? She has a second reward.
Ah, that's Ikeda's. Look! That's his name.
You're right about that, Hirumi. Very right.
Du coup, elle a jamais pu le rendre.
We should see what it is.
But how did she even end up with that in the first place?
I'm not sure, but...
Non, c'est...
Is this a kimono?
That's amazing! An authentic Japanese kimono!
2 en un épisode, let's go!
It's definitely expensive. Where did he even get something like this?
Let me see.
Hidemi? Hidemi.
Sorry. Right. It's so fancy. I wonder how he got this.
It's a bit more ornate than what you would expect from a typical men's kimono.
I didn't even know that men wore kimono.
Of course they do. They're just usually a bit more formal than your usual patterned woman's kimono. Different styles, different types of kimono.
It's so elegant.
Come now. On to the boys' side.
Right. Stay strong, Miss Ogura. It's only 8 rooms.
I'll do what I must.
The hell?
What? Ninomiya! Is that you?
Ah, c'est bloqué avec une chaise.
Bon.
Hirose?
Can you get the
Ah
door
oui!
open?
Hein?
Yeah.
Peut-être.
Ok, ils ont fait foutre ça sur le dos de Uno, potentiellement.
Thanks, man.
What? Den, easy.
Yohei.
Neon, good to see ya.
I'm so glad you're okay.
Il faut un check.
I know. Seriously, you're gonna bowl me over.
C'est les deux coups du
You have
bâtiment
no
aussi.
idea. What was blocking the door?
Someone shoved a chair under the knob.
Ouais.
I'm a little insulted it was that simple.
We just came by to investigate. We didn't even know you guys were in here. Did you happen to find anything?
We don't even know who died yet.
Tell us what happened.
I mean, it's better that you find out now, I guess. Then you can at least investigate. Akiba.
Sorry, just this whole thing didn't feel real until you. Where is he?
He's in the storage room. We figured that you and Denden could go scope it out, and I could stick around here with Isida and look for shit.
That's. Okay, that's fine. Den, come on.
Yes, Doctor! On my way!
He's really dead?
Yeah. It's super fucking creepy. His head got crushed.
Crushed?
Bashed in. There's like chunks all over the floor. It's messed.
God, I feel bad now. I liked Akiba.
I feel like everyone liked Akiba.
Réel.
Et bon, en même temps,
Yeah.
Et moi aussi.
c'est le mec type de base, c'est normal que tout le monde l'aime.
Investigating.
Right. I doubt we're gonna find anything in here, though. I feel like if someone had been in here doing shit, you guys would have noticed.
Probably, yeah. We already searched this place pretty hard while we were waiting for you guys to show. I don't think there's anything left in here that we haven't already checked out.
Damn. What the hell do we do then? Just hang out? All the other rooms are already delegated.
I mean, I'd feel bad if we just sat here doing nothing.
Shit. I mean, we could make out or something.
Wow.
You're weird.
Dude, I don't know. It's a stress response or whatever.
Let's just give this place another once-over and then go find a group that needs help.
Works for me.
Ouais, c'est ce que j'allais proposer.
Ouais. Calme tes hormones, par contre, Ninomiya.
We're probably not gonna find anything. I was in here for my whole break.
Why?
I don't know. I just couldn't think of anywhere else to go. If I went to my room, I'd just fall asleep. So I just kind of sat here playing solitaire.
Ooh, fun!
I think I might actually have some really solid testimony, though.
Did you see something?
I mean, kind of. I had the door open the whole time, so I saw a couple people pass by. If they killed him in the storage room, it's gotta be one of those people who passed. Right?
C'est bien ça.
That's a really big help.
Ça me rappelle une certaine personne dans la première enquête.
Let me think. Shishikura, Maikawa, you, Denden, and Tsukigata. Shishikura is the only one who I saw come back.
Well, I know that I definitely passed by, so that checks
Les allégations
out.
sur Shikora ne changent
Oui,
pas.
ces allégations sont aggravantes.
Ninomiya was there too. He can tell you.
Wait, what? Ninomiya? I definitely didn't see him pass. He was in the kitchen?
He was.
That's super weird, Den. We should talk to him.
That's probably a good idea. For now, though, the lounge.
Yeah, right, the lounge. I don't think we're gonna find anything here.
Well, we can definitely confirm you were playing solitaire at least. Leave the cards out for now, just in case someone else wants to check your alibi.
Frankly, there's a lot of alibis I want to check. I'm already not feeling great about this whole Ninomiya thing, but I can definitely think of a couple people who might want to hurt Akiba.
We shouldn't
Mm.
assume that whoever it was wanted to hurt Akiba specifically. Maybe it didn't matter who they killed. Maybe they meant to kill Okuda.
Okuda?
She was right next to him when I got to the storage room. I'm not sure where she was when he died, but if it was right there, they might have been aiming for Okuda when they hit Akiba.
That's a good point. We should look into that. Where else do we
Laurent,
still
en
have to
fait.
investigate?
Mm.
The rec room.
Then we should get going. Hopefully we'll run into someone else on the way.
Good thinking, good thinking. I'm ready when you are.
Oh, I'm super ready. I think I'm actually getting really into this whole detective thing.
Ooh, maybe.
Ça fait 2 jours elle a pas dormi, ça fait 2 jours elle a pas mangé.
Oui.
On le rappelle.
I haven't really
Les gens, ils
spent
ont trop
much
d'énergie.
time in here since the whole elevator thing. I'm not sure what to look for.
It's not like you've been conducting some kind of flawless investigation before this. You literally haven't found anything.
At least I'm actually looking.
I'm just not interested in playing.
Playing? Ikeda, they're gonna kill us if we don't solve this. This isn't a game.
Guess you better get searching then, Yoshiwara. You
Yoshiwara.
want to hit me so bad.
I just want you to be quiet.
You're mad.
Can you please just shut up? I'm trying to investigate.
What are you seeing?
Nothing. Just the usual crap. Maybe you should double check, though. 2 sets of eyes, or whatever.
Nah.
God, it's like you don't even care if we find anything or not.
The room's not big. It looks like you've got it handled just fine.
You're completely useless.
Good thing that doesn't really bother me.
Yeah, right. Of course, because nothing ever bothers you, God. Why the hell did I waste my breath defending you?
Good question. I didn't ask you to do that.
Then why the hell did you say my name?
I don't even know what you're talking about.
During the voting thing, when the rabbit said someone was going to slash your face, you said my name. You said it like you wanted my help, like I could do something about it, like you were begging me. Why did you say that if you didn't want anything from me? Why the hell are you treating me like this when you... Whatever. I'm so sick of you. I'm investigating. Just sit there and be quiet.
There's nothing here. Let's just move on. We still have another room to check. Ikeda, get up. Come on.
I'm gathering my strength.
I think lots of the boys here are actually pretty tidy. It won't be so bad, I'm sure.
Fire.
My room's first. See? And you made me a girl. Which means we'll be fine.
I suppose that's true.
Right. So there's nothing to worry about.
work, Hidemi?
I like to keep a clean room.
Your workstation is impeccable.
Thank you.
Purée, il a pas eu le cheval.
Ah, sure thing. It's hanging up in the closet.
The closet. I see.
In the closet.
C'est un cheval, attends.
In the closet.
It's nice. Yeah.
Symbol.
That's the symbol for my riding club back home. Académie Royale de Dressage Belge. That's who I represent when I compete.
And what about the initials?
Ah, well,
This is small for you. Does it even fit?
well, it's actually pretty old. I haven't worn it in a long time.
Why'd they give you this one and not your new one?
Not sure.
Strange. Thank you for your patience, Hidemi. I've officially cleared your room and exonerated you. On to the bathroom.
Ah, right. I share a bathroom with Ikeda.
This place is so empty. Do you two not have any belongings between the two of you?
We do. I have a hairbrush. See? That one's mine.
Vise pas.
You've got quite a few bath accoutrements as well.
Definitely. I love taking baths. They've got so many things here for baths.
You seem particularly sold on bubbles.
Yeah, they're nice.
It looks like Ikeda doesn't keep much of anything in here, though.
He really doesn't. I never really see him in here at all, actually. It's always open. Is it possible for him to just never use the bathroom ever?
Definitely not. It's suspicious.
Ah, il a pas l'habitude, je pense, donc.
Really all that suspicious, though?
Maybe not for a murder, but weird. Still weird.
Let's check his room.
Right.
Pour vous, pas pour
Should
lui.
we return his reward while we're in here? It'd be really nice of us.
Not yet. I want to bring it up during the trial.
What? Why?
Because it's weird that Miss Ono even had it in the first place. Kamada won Ikeda's reward, right? So Kamada should have had it. I want to know how it ended up with Miss Ono.
Ah, Miss Ogura. You think on so many levels. It's incredible.
That's exactly correct. Now, are you seeing anything?
A lot of art supplies. His workstation is so well stoked. He must be really, really talented.
A fellow painter.
Ouais, talentueux.
There's still hope for him yet.
I'm sure there is.
I'm not seeing Yadabashi's reward, though. Weird. I wonder if someone
Il a
else has
sûrement
it.
rendu.
We should keep an eye out.
Yaitabashi is
Tay
an
lui a
artist
rendu.
too, right?
Je sais
Maybe
pas,
one of the things that
possible.
Ikeda's workstation actually belongs to him.
Ou alors c'est sa récompense qui a été utilisée.
Yadabashi and the nature of his reward.
Bah non, c'était
La
un
récompense
micro-ondes.
Yatabashi, un micro-ondes.
Oui, non.
Ah, right.
Oui,
That's a great idea.
j'avais oublié sur le moment.
To the next room.
Of course.
Mais peut-être un truc utilisé pour le piège si c'en est un.
Ouais, non,
Genre
je sais pas ce que
un
c'est.
fil, je sais pas, ou
Investigate his space.
peut-être.
Right. Lead the way.
Même si je verrais pas pourquoi un fil serait un truc important, mais.
As expected.
Hmm.
He just kind of left his clothes wherever.
Even then, this is not a week's worth of clothes. His hygiene should be called into question.
I always thought he smelled nice though. Manly.
That's the worst of smells. It's also not a smell.
Ah, Miss Ogura, look.
Show me.
Techniquement, si, c'est une odeur, mais pas la meilleure.
Makes sense. An archer without a bow would be pointless.
It looks really special. No wonder he got this as his reward.
Take it with us, just in case. We should keep it secured in one of our rooms. It's a weapon, after all.
Right. That's a good idea.
I'm not noticing anything else. Very well. To the bathroom. For someone who never showers, I'm impressed by how many products he keeps.
Who does he share a bathroom with? They might not all be his.
Shishikura, if I recall.
Aïe aïe aïe.
I think that's a fair
Ok.
assumption to make. There's quite a few. Whoa!
Huh?
Whose are these?
don't think they're Akiba's, right?
As far as I knew, Akiba wasn't on any sort of medication, let alone this many different bottles.
Ninomiya, du
I
coup?
wish we could have asked
Chez Shikura. Oui.
About it either way.
Puisque c'est la salle de bain
Mais
qu'il partage avec lui, donc...
ah, il a pas de maladie, Shishikura, si?
Bah, avec toutes les opérations...
Ouais, je sais pas.
Je sais pas, peut-être.
Je sais pas, pour moi, ça serait un truc qui aurait été dit dans un truc plutôt que.
Ouais.
Je sais pas.
Ou alors ça vient de l'infirmerie, sinon.
Je crois pas qu'il y avait grand chose dans l'infirmerie non plus. Hein. De toute façon, on verra bien.
Ouais, on verra
Ça sera
dans
répondu
une
au
semaine.
Dans une semaine, on aura les réponses.
Shishikura's room. I suppose there's not much a Yukigassen player can do at a desk.
It's nicely decorated though. So cozy.
More medication. This is definitely his.
None of these
Okay.
have his name on them though. Is that weird?
They're probably from the med bay.
Ouais, voilà.
He probably just
D'accord.
Oh wow. I wonder if Hirose knows about that.
We'll follow up during the trial. Where is his reward?
Ah, here it is.
C'est une boule de neige.
Fairly small box.
It's a card.
Oh?
I'm not really sure what it says.
Your lack of fluency continues to be your downfall, Hidemi. Let me see.
I speak way more languages than you do.
Merci Tokigata.
I don't think it's relevant.
Ah
It
putain.
seems to be a family matter. We should leave it be.
Yes, Miss Ogura.
Come now. We still have 4 more rooms to cover.
Who's next?
Looks like Yadabashi Cell. I have great respect for him.
Ah, me too. Mr. Yarabashi has so much confidence. I love to watch him speak.
I'm surprised how easily he hid the fact that he was blind. As respectable as he is, I'm somewhat wary. His ability to lie is powerful.
I don't really think that's suspicious, though. I probably wouldn't have told anyone either.
Oh?
Well, if someone wanted to hurt them, they have an advantage now, right? Since they know he can see them, it puts a target on his back, doesn't it?
Your logic is sound, Hidemi. He's in a dangerous position as of now.
I'm not seeing his reward anywhere. I don't think Ikeda gave it back.
I'd expected as much.
Mm.
He's likely hidden it somewhere we missed. Let's check the bathroom. I'm starting to believe that the men in this building are using infinitely more hair and skincare products than the women.
T'as vu la gueule des mecs?
Putain, avec Sugikata, Ninomiya,
Hirose,
Hirose.
Shikura.
Arrangement B.
Coming.
Hirose hasn't spent very much time in his room this week. He and Isada Mion have been banned from the dorms, if I recall.
That's right.
Ah oui.
That was Miyochi's.
Mais non, parce que j'étais en train de me
Ouais.
demander pourquoi est-ce qu'il dormait dans l'infirmerie, mais j'avais
Oui,
oublié
parce que Isoda peut pas dormir dans son truc.
Ouais.
Punishment.
Then I doubt we have anything to worry about. Find his reward and we can depart.
Searching.
King.
Gah! Why is it so heavy?
Let me feel.
Exactly. It weighs a million pounds.
A million pounds.
Opening. It's a bag.
It's a microwave.
By the looks of it, dump it out.
Right.
Bones of a scholar. I see.
These books are huge.
These are medical textbooks, Hidemi. Pay them no mind. They are simply the readings of the venerable
Ah,
doctor.
par contre, on le dit, hein, mais c'est pas les prochains invités des chambres, ça sera pas eux. Attends, ils sont rentrés dans les chambres, tout ce qu'ils ont fait, c'est voler des trucs et tout défoncer.
J'avoue, et vas-y que je prends la récompense de l'autre, et vas-y que je vide le
Ils ont
sac de
volé la
l'autre.
récompense d'Ikeza. Ils ont volé un de... Ils ont volé de la médication. Ils ont tout volé. Et là, ce Kingata, il vient juste de renverser tous les livres de Hirose. Ils sont juste en train de tout défoncer dans les chambres.
Après, c'est ce qu'il faut faire, hein, mais...
Oui, c'est ce qu'il faut faire, mais ça sera plus jamais eux qui vont changer.
Okay, right.
Onward. We're nearly done now. Also, steal that bag.
Steal that bag.
Regarde.
We need something to put our evidence in.
Ah, j'avoue, c'est un bon truc, ouais.
C'est un bon truc. Hirose, il va marquer quand arrive avec son sac. Putain.
Ikeda, il va les voir arriver avec sa récompense.
Atsushi, the working class.
Tay intimidates me a little bit, but he's
Cool.
really polite.
I'm surprised you can be intimidated by a man so much shorter than you, Hidemi.
I just feel like he's under a lot of stress.
C'est sa vie.
If he's going to pop, he'll be popping at Ikeda Daiki. Nothing for you to concern yourself with.
I wonder
Ça
Ouais,
dépend de la
ouais.
situation.
Ça dépend de la situation, mais oui. Une grande chance. Un petit coup dans la gueule, là. Mais juste ça.
Tidy, but I'm not sure what his workstation could even consist of. What is it he does?
He works at a cafe, right?
I thought he worked at a convenience store.
Oh,
Ils travaillent aux deux.
Does he?
Hmm. Non, il y en a un, c'est un café, et l'autre, c'est en ligne.
Oui, oui.
Après, peut-être qu'il a eu d'autres trucs. Hein.
Ninomiya. Il a reconnu les affaires de son mec.
Les affaires de son mec.
That's why his eyes look so dark. It takes him forever.
That explains how long he takes to arrive for breakfast.
Oh, surtout que je pense qu'il a eu sa salle de bain.
Nothing particularly suspicious about that, I suppose.
His reward is his violin, by the way. It's under the bed.
I recall that from the game. Very well. Nothing to concern ourselves with.
Everything looks pretty much how it looked when we went for our 3-hour break.
It's atrociously messy. How does he manage to defile such a small place with such vigor?
He just kind of throws things on the floor.
And yet you can stomach living in here.
It was only for a few days. Besides, it's not like I was sleeping on the floor. The bed is very clean.
What? Hidemi! Don't sleep in a stranger's bed so eagerly!
Am I not supposed to? I've been sleeping in his bed the entire time we've been cuffed.
Oh putain.
Oui,
A twin! Hidemi!
It's
Right. Twin is two.
No! A twin is for one person!
Confusing.
So uncouth. Come, let's rejoin the others.
Yes, Miss Ogra.
Putain.
This trial with our boundless knowledge!
I sure hope so.
Twinnies too.
Oh putain, j'adore les deux là.
Mais
comment ils
oui.
s'appellent.
Actually, I found them in the waiting room. I don't know why both of them have board games and playing cards and stuff. Feels kind of redundant.
Say and Ikeda are investigating in the waiting room, right?
I think so, yeah.
Alright, good. Just making sure I'm mapping everything out right in my head.
Oh, let me in on that head map. What have you got going on in there?
Well, I think we should definitely talk to Maikawa and Denden. They showed up in the storage room right before I did. You saw them pass, right?
Yep, definitely.
And you only saw Shishikura go back?
Right. What's up?
My map's not working. Iruka
Autant elle était, la pauvre.
Well, I mean, I was tired, I guess, but
We can talk it out during the trial, okay?
wait, oh no, do you think I did it?
I didn't say that.
But do you think it?
I want your story to make sense, Yokoi. Iron it out, and we'll talk about it during the trial. If you didn't do anything, you've got nothing to worry about, okay?
Right.
Let's head to the next room, okay? I'm not seeing anything in here.
God.
I don't love that this is bothering you. You're supposed to be our gore guy.
Surgery in sterile controlled environments. That's a lot different than examining a shattered skull on the storage room floor.
Shishikura, il est tout petit.
Let us.
Oui, il est nickel.
Right. Thank you.
Are you seeing anything?
Well, my first instinct would be to say that he died from a single blow to the head. But you wouldn't need a medical professional to point that out.
Ah bon.
Exactly.
But is there anything else?
I'm not a coroner.
Dude, either do something helpful or get out of here already.
He's doing his best.
Maikawa, do you mind being an extra pair of hands?
What's up?
You're an engineer, right?
Sorta.
Can you look over the microwave? I doubt there's much to find, but just in case.
I guess so. I don't think you'd need some kind of special microwave to crack a guy's head in, though.
Either way.
Doctor? Is there any chance he died from something other than the blow to the head?
Poison.
The timing of that was
Tamba est de retour.
Tamba.
Les commentaires. Poison mentioned. I'm still here.
Ah, comment
Poison.
Comment je l'ai voudrais dire.
She said the line. I can hear Tamba from a mile away.
Oh wow.
Oh, Tamba, elle est de retour.
Je l'avais dit.
It's like she's still in here. Oh putain. Entre les gens qui disent que Anano est caché quelque part dans l'école.
Oui.
Et le retour de Tamba. À l'aide.
Putain.
Oh.
He was constantly turning up sick or injured. I'd have no idea if he'd been poisoned either way.
I think it's probably safe to roll out everything but the microwave. I mean, Ogura saw it happen, right?
Then I'd love to hear her testimony.
The hell are you doing?
Checking his pockets. There's nothing else I can read from his head wound, but if he had anything on him, that might be relevant.
Like a note or whatever?
That would be something.
C'est ce que je pensais.
Nothing but your standard storage room snacks. Seems like he was just looting.
That tracks. Pretty sure him and Eyepatch are looting this place all the time.
Nothing else in any of his pockets. I don't think there's much to find on the body itself.
Then, what now?
Then we just hope we found enough, I guess. Is everyone else still searching?
Yeah.
Then you two should go and see how you can help. Denden and I can watch over the body. I'll keep searching him, just in case.
Yeah, just in case. Whatever. Bye, Hirose.
Good luck.
God, are we done yet? Where do we even have left to check?
Were you even paying attention? They gave us the calm room.
Like hell. I'm not going in there.
Seriously? It'll take like 5 seconds.
Then do it yourself. I'm not going in.
And if I go by myself, you're not gonna lock me in?
I could ask you the same damn thing.
Then we should go together.
God, just go already.
You're not feeling well again.
I'm fine!
Ikeda, seriously, tell me what's going on so we can fix it and get back to the damn investigation.
I already told you that I'm fine. Like 100 times. God, why are you so damn nosy?
Because you're obviously lying. If whatever's going on is the reason that you're not helping at all, then I'd love to help you solve it. Ikeda, seriously, please, just come sit.
I don't want to go in there.
I'll hold the door open. Completely open. I promise I'm not gonna lock you in. I just don't want you to pass out and hit your head or something.
God, I hate you.
So what's the deal with you? You look really, really sick. And don't tell me you're fine, because you're not. And I feel like you've been getting worse for days.
Not everything is just automatically your business.
Right, except for when you need me.
The only people in the world who need you are desperate men in their 50s with cash to burn.
Ikeda?
Oh, there he is again. Angry.
Sit back down.
How is it that a guy working so many jobs still isn't making enough money to pull himself out of the red light district?
Ikeda, I'm not kidding. Get out of my face.
Or maybe it's not about the money. Maybe you stick around because you like it. Is that it?
Get out of my damn face!
Or what? Or nothing. You're not gonna do a thing to me because you feel bad. That's it, right? You pity me. You pity me. You defended me because you pity me. Isn't that kind of ironic, though, that the guy scraping money out of older men is the one taking pity on me? Because I'll be honest, I think you're probably a lot more pitiful than I am, Tay. I think you—
Shut up! You never know when to stop talking. God, I wouldn't have to. I wouldn't have to hurt you if you just knew when to stop fucking talking. What is it you want from me?
Say, fuck. Seriously, I can't breathe.
God, stop doing this to me. What did you gain from that, huh? Is that what you wanted? You just... Fuck! Why can't you just shut up? You just... I'm sorry. I'll be right back.
Tay, we're not supposed to... Tay!
God, is there seriously nothing in here? Nothing in the waiting room bathrooms either. But that's really bad, oh no. That means we didn't find anything. Believe me, I know. If we didn't find anything, then we're screwed. What if nobody else found anything either? What if the entire investigation was a complete buzz? Someone had to have found something, Rupert. Just breathe. There's no way it's gonna be that simple. But if we don't figure out who did it, I know. Are we sure there's nothing else in here? Nothing at all? Nothing.
Aïe.
Attention students. The time allocated for your investigation has ended. Please report to the trial elevator immediately. Your trial will begin shortly.
Oh God! Rupa, breathe! I can't breathe! We're gonna die! We're gonna live! We have your testimony. We have the crime scene. We have anything the others found. If we know how to put it all together, we'll figure it out.
Does anyone even come in here?
Outside of interviews? Not really. It's too creepy to hang out in. Finding anything?
Nothing, but the room's pretty bare already. I feel like any evidence would stick out pretty clearly.
Hey, do either of you think this room feels weird?
Weird how?
Weird, like familiar weird.
Not really.
Definitely not.
Okay. Maybe it's just me then.
Oh, tu penses que c'est là qu'ils avaient des interviews avec Seki?
Ah, oh, c'est possible. Possible.
Parce que du coup, ils les faisaient bien quelque part, le truc avec Seki.
Oui, bien sûr. Putain, et en plus, ça
Parce que...
s'appelle la chambre d'entretien, donc c'est possible. Ouais.
Bah,
Très
en fait,
possible.
pour moi, c'était potentiellement la Amnesia Room aussi.
Ouais.
Parce
Ouais,
qu'elle sert à rien et tout. Mais en fait, maintenant que j'y pense, ça semble plus logique que ce soit celle-là.
ouais. Je saurais même plus dire si le fond, c'est le même ou pas. J'ai passé 30 heures sur le prologue, je saurais même pas te dire si c'est le même fond. Mais je crois que oui. En vrai, je crois que oui. Je sais plus.
Le fond, il changeait pas de couleur à chaque fois par rapport à la personne?
Non, dessus c'était toujours le même. Attends, je vais aller voir ça. Je vais sur n'importe quelle interview et je te dis ça.
So that's it then.
Vas-y.
We didn't find much.
I believe the others did a little better.
I'm sure they did. Besides, it's not like this is
Okay.
all the evidence we're gonna have. I feel like a lot of the trial is gonna rely on testimony.
But isn't
Ouais,
Ogura the
c'est la même.
saw
Ok.
anything?
Maybe.
C'est le même endroit.
I'm holding out hope.
I'm saving all my hope for the elevator ride.
God, if it drops again, I swear.
Here and here.
Huh?
The hell?
You, so you don't pass out mid-trial, and you, so you don't also pass out mid-trial.
Oh, thanks, man.
Whatever.
Oh, good.
Huh?
A few of you are already here.
Pourquoi Ninomiya?
Didn't really find anything else after you guys dipped.
Oh non, je pense que...
Honestly, our entire
Ok, ouais.
investigation was a bit of a wash.
Il y a des
I think we
médicaments,
found a
quoi.
couple interesting
Pourquoi il a rien
things.
donné au...
Enough,
Je sais
hopefully.
pas.
What he said.
Sorry, we're here.
What? Is that my bag?
I promise we will return it in good condition, Doctor.
You're looking awfully chipper, given the circumstances.
I've been charged with just enough power to last me through Akiba Taku's trial. I'll save my mourning for when my life has been secured.
Good attitude to have, honestly.
Hmm.
So this is it.
Do we just go inside?
I'd really rather take the stairs, if that's an option.
Get in, you giant baby.
It's a pretty
Giant
small
baby.
elevator for 15 people.
Guess we'd better make it work.
Je serais tellement pas à l'aise. Bon.
Que dire
C'est qui? Attends.
Au moins mettre
Parce que du
tout le
coup,
monde là. Hop.
essayons de rassembler tout ce qu'on a comme info. Ok. Donc, l'arme du crime, c'est le micro-ondes, qui a
Ouais,
été
normalement.
disparu à peu près 3 jours avant.
Ouais.
Les 2 personnes qui l'ont remarqué, du coup, c'est Tei et Nishiguchi, parce qu'ils sont tout le temps dans la cuisine, contrairement aux autres. Du coup, ça ramène à un des deux, mais j'y crois pas trop.
Ouais, non.
Ensuite,
Enfin,
il y a
n'importe qui peut l'avoir volé. Hein. Il suffit
Ouais.
juste qu'il y ait personne à ce moment-là, puis voilà.
Ensuite,
Après,
par
quand-
rapport à l'enquête et tout, ça donne l'impression que c'est pas un piège, mais plutôt que ça a été fait directement.
Mais après, ce que je me demande, c'est comment est-ce que tu transportes un micro-ondes?
Pendant la nuit ou quoi?
Peut-être, ouais. Mais après, ouais. Avec les 3 heures, peut-être, ouais.
Parce que même, par exemple, t'as la vidéo où t'as Tei qui se réveille et t'as Ikeda qui est détaché, il l'a pas remarqué, quoi. Tu peux te détacher sans te faire remarquer.
Ouais.
Du coup, ça peut être un truc qui a été fait pendant la nuit.
Mm.
Donc, voilà. Après, le micro-ondes, s'il a été directement déplacé dans la salle là-bas, je sais pas. Je sais pas ce qu'ils ont fait du micro-ondes. En tout cas, de ce qu'on entend, c'est que c'était pas un piège.
Mm.
Ça peut être un piège.
Mais après, le truc, c'est qu'on sait toujours pas comment ça a été agencé, en fait.
Ouais, ouais, c'est ça en fait. Mais en fait, le truc surtout qui me dit que c'est pas un piège, c'est que Maekawa, elle a regardé le micro-ondes et elle a rien dit dessus de bizarre, quoi.
Mm. Et quand ils ont vérifié là où le micro-ondes était, en tout cas, je suppose d'être, ils ont rien vu de bizarre ou quoi. Donc,
Oui, il y a rien eu de bizarre, du coup, ça a juste été genre poussé peut-être?
Dans ce cas, c'est-à-dire que la personne était dans la salle de stockage à ce moment-là.
Bah, ça veut surtout dire que c'est une des personnes qui a été détachée. Du coup, si on prend le truc de Ruka, les gens qui sont passés, c'est Osamu, Maekawa, Tsukigata, Uno, et du coup, il y avait elle dans la salle. Du coup, ça fait 5 personnes potentielles pour pousser le truc.
Mm.
Je pense que c'est un truc qui va venir et qui va dire ouais, c'est comme ça que ça s'est passé.
Ouais.
Ça, c'est sûr. Ensuite, on sait que Ninomiya était là et que Ruka l'a pas
Attends,
vu.
je
Aussi.
veux juste voir un truc. Je veux juste savoir qui était là. Donc Maekawa.
Et Denden, Maekawa, et après c'est Uno, je crois.
Elle avait dit Shishikora, non? Aussi? Non?
Ouais, il y avait Shishikura mais
Qui est revenu.
Shishikura, il avait fait un aller-retour du coup.
Ouais.
Non, mais je crois que la prochaine personne qui arrive, c'est Uno.
Ouais.
Ouais. Ah, attends, ça, t'as dit où
Allez hop. Attends, parce que du coup, on va retourner au dernier. On va voir tout le monde.
En fait, déjà, je pense que Isoda et
Hirose.
Docteur et Hirose, ils sont sortis parce qu'il
Mm.
n'y a pas de blueprint là cette fois-ci, il y a pas une connerie comme ça. Ogura, du coup, c'est pas elle, c'est sûr.
Après, pourquoi est-ce que l'épisode 1 s'appelle Blueprint après?
C'est pour nous foutre un truc dans la gueule, c'est pour nous casser les couilles. C'est pour nous casser les couilles, c'est ça. C'est tout. Putain. Attends, c'est quoi la traduction littérale de blueprint?
Ah, ça doit être plan d'un bâtiment. C'est pas genre plan de construction? Un truc comme ça?
Ouais, c'est un dessin, c'est une reproduction d'un truc, plein de trucs en fait.
Ok.
C'est un guide pour faire quelque chose. Ouais. C'est un dessin ou un pattern qui peut être suivi.
Ok.
Ah, du coup, un blueprint d'une maison, par exemple, tu vois toutes les pièces. Du coup, ça peut être genre un en rapport avec le fait que son crâne soit claqué partout, j'en sais rien. Waouh. Allez là.
En fait, le truc, c'est que j'ai toujours une suspicion sur Denden, mais je me dis... c'est pas le genre de personne qui réussit à garder son calme dans cette situation.
Bah, la première chose qu'elle a fait, c'est gueuler, quoi.
Ouais, mais je veux dire, même plus tard, genre plus tard, elle reste assez calme quand même, et je pense pas que ce soit le genre de personne qui puisse réussir à rester calme si elle fait ça, quoi. Même si...
Ouais, non, si elle fait ça, non.
Et Shishikura, alors son cas s'aggrave.
Son cas s'aggrave, mais vraiment. Les allégations ne l'aident pas.
Mais comme Denden, je pense pas qu'il serait aussi calme, quoi. Genre déjà que juste parler juste à Maekawa, il a du mal à garder ses émotions, mais alors faire ça...
Ouais.
Tay, j'y
Bah,
crois de moins en moins.
Tay, j'ai arrêté d'y croire
Mm.
à ces épisodes-là.
Ouais, à l'épisode
Parce que
avec
tu
Ikeda là,
peux pas, genre, tu peux pas juste être full
celui-là.
focus sur ce qui se passe avec Ikeda,
Mm.
alors que t'as fait quelque chose et que du coup tu sais qu'il va crever à la fin.
Ouais.
J'ai pas envie de dire que tu t'en fous de la personne, mais
Mm.
tu prends pas autant soin qu'il l'a fait lui, quoi.
Ouais. Ou alors il l'a fait juste pour se couvrir, mais même dans ce cas-là.
Non. J'ai un peu la personnalité de Tay, je serais trop en stress pour m'occuper de quoi que ce soit. Pour être honnête.
Donc, Isoda, Hirose, on écarte.
Attends. Non, Sou, non.
Sou
Non, parce
Nishiguchi en
qu'en plus,
soi.
il va pas se détacher en plus.
Ouais. Et je sais plus si on l'avait dit, mais le fait que Sou était détaché avec Tay, c'était une erreur de Von.
Oui, non, parce que en plus, j'allais dire, le fait qu'il essaie de prendre les devants et tout, ça peut être un truc comme le stress, tu sais, tu envie de faire les trucs un peu vite, machin,
Mm.
mais
Ouais.
du coup, vu qu'il pouvait pas se détacher de Mutsuko, non.
Mm. Donc, pour l'instant, on éloigne 4 personnes, ça fait qu'il reste toujours 11 personnes.
Déjà, il y a 3 personnes pour sûr, il y a 5 personnes pour sûr, en fait.
C'est qui la
Il y a
5e?
Hirose, Isoda, Ogura,
Ah oui,
Mutsuko,
Ogura,
Sou.
oui, Ogura. Donc on a toujours 10 suspects.
Hem,
Ça reste beaucoup.
Ça reste beaucoup, oui, mais c'est déjà mieux que rien, j'ai envie de te dire.
J'ai envie de dire Ikeda aussi.
Ikeda, en fait, il est trop mal en point, alors.
Mm.
C'est ça le truc.
Mm. Du coup,
C'est
si
un
on,
peu la même
si on-
chose avec
si on-
Tay, il est mal au point parce que Ikeda est mal au point.
ouais, si on
Je sais
retire,
pas
si on
comment
retire,
expliquer.
si on retire Ikeda, je pense qu'on peut retirer Tay. Donc, j'ai perdu le compte, on en est à 8 restants, je crois. Donc, du coup, il nous resterait Uno, Ninomiya, Erina, Denden, Tsukikata, Yokoi, Maekawa, Shishikura. Et c'est tout.
C'est tout. Je pense pas que c'est un suicide non plus, donc
Non. Bah, un suicide,
Il a
il y aurait pas eu. Après, peut-être. Attends. Si c'est
il
un
a tiré
suicide.
sur la corde du micro.
Attends, si c'est un suicide involontaire,
Ça serait
est-ce que ça
trop
pourrait.
chelou.
Est-ce que ça déclencherait l'alarme?
Oui. Oui, ça déclencherait l'alarme si c'est un suicide involontaire, ça voudrait dire que c'est lui qui s'est tué.
Mhm. Mhm.
Si on prend en tout cas le cas de chapitre 4. C'est la personne qui active le
Oui.
moyen de meurtre qui est considéré comme étant meurtrier.
Ouais.
Du coup, ça peut être un suicide involontaire.
Mm.
Mais j'y crois pas vraiment en vrai.
Bah, moi non plus, parce que.
Genre, c'est
Qu'est-ce
probable, hein,
qu'il
c'est super
ferait?
possible même parce que le micro-ondes, ça a une corde et tout, tu vois?
Mm.
Avec la prise. Mais bon.
Putain, oui, j'avais pas pensé à la prise. J'avais pas pensé à la prise du
Justement, quand
micro-ondes.
Hirose, il a dit inspecte bien le truc, je m'attendais à ce que Maekawa dise un truc en mode la prise elle est bizarre.
Mm.
Mais bon. Du coup, je sais pas.
Mm. Mais j'arrive pas à savoir si la petite panique de Yokoi là, elle est pour. Elle est pour elle parce que ce serait elle, ou est-ce qu'elle est pour tout le monde, genre. Donc,
La crise de panique qu'elle a fait là, déjà je la comprends.
Le truc là où elle fait l'hyperventilation.
Non, en vrai, non, je pense que c'est plus pour tout le monde parce que elle a tellement de trucs sur les épaules.
Ouais.
Elle a tout le groupe sur les épaules limite.
Mm.
Je pense que c'est vraiment une vraie crise de panique à cause de ça.
Mm. Donc, si on part de ce principe, est-ce qu'on pourrait retirer Yokoi? Mais après, si ça se trouve, c'est peut-être juste pour elle après.
Oui, ça peut être juste pour elle, bien sûr. Il y a aussi de ça.
Mm.
Mais c'est justement, c'est parce qu'elle a tellement de responsabilités que c'est pour elle, tu vois.
Mm. Oui, voilà.
Je pense que tu fais une crise de panique, c'est pas pour les autres la plupart du temps, c'est plus pour toi, mais
Ouais, mais est-ce que c'est
genre
pour
le
elle
fait qu'elle
par rapport aux
doit
autres, quoi, c'est ça la question.
ouais, le fait qu'elle a tout le monde sur le dos entre guillemets, ça aide pas, quoi.
Mm. Donc, bah, Pour moi, Shishikura, c'est plus un. J'ai plus la traduction, mais ce serait plus un red herring. pense.
Red Herring?
Genre, c'est une sorte de diversion de.
Ah,
Je
je
sais
sais pas.
Parce que,
Parce que les gens les
parce que le truc, c'est que Shishikura, je sais plus si tu te souviens, mais à un moment, il était dans la storage room et a été vu par Irina.
Ah? Non, j'en souviens pas de ça.
Je crois que c'était jour 4. Je crois que c'était juste avant le Phobia Game, je crois.
Juste avant?
Ou jour. Là, voilà.
Oh.
Shishikura?
Oh, Erina. Hey, sorry, didn't mean to bother you. What are you doing in here?
Erina, you're awfully forward.
Is that not okay?
It's fine. I don't care. Whatever. What are you doing here?
I was just looking for somewhere to cool off a bit.
From the game?
Right.
Et après quoi ça?
C'est c'est après le Phobia Game, du coup.
Ok. C'est bizarre ça.
Hmm.
J'avoue que
Mais,
Shishikura là, il s'aide pas, hein.
mais moi, ce que je me demande, c'est pourquoi mettre un truc début jour 4 pour fin jour 6. Parce que si je comprends bien, Akiba et Ogura, ils y vont régulièrement dans la storage room.
Oui, bah de ce qu'on a
Donc
compris,
pourquoi le faire
ils
2
peuvent
jours plus
assez
tard et pas le jour même?
bah après il peut avoir l'hésitation et tout ça, quoi.
Ouais, c'est vrai.
Mais ce que j'aimerais savoir, c'est les motivations pour le
Mm.
faire.
Et surtout, ce que je remarque
Surtout au
aussi,
bout de 4 jours.
et ce que je remarque aussi, c'est qu'il y a un petit texte aussi, là. Genre Anthology de Vivisect.
Ouais.
Donc moi, je
Ouais,
pense
ouais, ouais,
qu'on,
ouais.
moi, je pense que c'est, je pense qu'ils veulent nous faire croire que c'est Shishikura, vu que tout le monde pense le croire ça.
Ah, tout le
Mais que
monde
ça
pense
va
ça sur
juste
le
être
serveur
un.
de Tétro, hein.
Ah oui, hein, ils sont à fond dessus.
Ils sont à fond sur Shishikura.
Donc moi, je pense que ça peut être une diversion.
Moi, je vois ce que tu veux dire.
Mm. Après, si c'en est pas une, ça peut
Selon
rester fou,
Shishikura.
mais moi, je pense sincèrement que c'en est une. Mm.
J'avoue, il y a tellement de trucs sur Shishikura, hein.
Ouais. En fait, je pense qu'il y a trop de trucs. C'est pour ça que ça me semble assez
Bah,
bizarre.
surtout que c'est bizarre qu'on puisse tout déduire comme ça et tout relier à Shishikura aussi facilement, j'ai envie de
Ouais.
dire.
Mm.
Tu vois?
Mm.
Parce que dans tes trop bah, même en fait dans tes trop Pink, la plupart des trucs, on n'avait pas toutes les infos et tout, quoi.
Mm.
Après là, la différence, c'est que quelqu'un a vu la mort.
Ouais.
Et ça, c'est un peu plus chelou, en fait.
Mm.
En fait, le truc avec ce meurtre, c'est qu'il est trop chelou.
Vraiment.
Pourquoi tu tues quelqu'un devant quelqu'un d'autre? Pourquoi tu fais ça avec un truc qui a disparu ça fait 3 jours?
Mm.
C'est tellement chelou.
Mais oh, je suis en train de me dire, il y a eu l'annonce. Attends, il y a un truc que j'arrive pas à comprendre. On part du principe que c'est pas un piège. Quelqu'un a poussé le micro-ondes, c'est tombé sur Akiba. Il y a eu l'annonce, il y a des gens qui sont venus et il y en a d'autres qui sont pas venus.
Ils sont
Pourquoi,
arrivés plus tard, oui.
pourquoi faire ça, sachant que l'annonce réveillerait tout le monde? Enfin, ça se trouve, après ils savaient peut-être même pas qu'il y avait une annonce.
Ouais, c'est ça que je me en fait, je sais pas comment ça se passe.
Mais même s'il n'y a pas
Oui.
d'annonce, Ogura, elle court, elle va prévenir les autres et le mec il est toujours dans la storage room, quoi.
Ouais, mais c'est ça, en fait, qui
Donc
est
pour moi, en fait, c'est vraiment un piège, en fait. Mais comment il se déclencherait, j'en ai aucune idée.
j'arrive pas à réfléchir, là. Putain.
Mm.
Parce que si on repart sur le concept de piège, ça peut être tout le monde encore.
Bah ouais.
C'est ça qui est trop chiant.
Mm. Ça peut même être Hirose ou Isoda, hein.
Bah, en
Même
fait, le
si j'y crois
truc
pas, mais.
En fait, le truc, c'est que si tu vas sur Hirose Isoda, c'est que du coup, ils étaient coincés dans une salle, ils ont pas pu activer le «piège» entre guillemets
Mmh.
et si c'est genre Akiba qui a pris la corde du micro-ondes et qu'elle s'est tombée sur sa tête, c'est Akiba qui est meurtrier, quoi.
Mmh.
Après peut-être qu'ils le sachent ils savent pas ou je sais pas quoi, mais
Mmh.
trop chelou.
Ouais. Bah, je je pense qu'on peut arrêter là, ça fait
Il y a des gens aussi qui rigolent parce que les 2 premiers meurtres de Tetro, c'est des ustensiles de cuisine.
Oui, c'est vrai.
Une par une poêle et un par un micro-ondes.
Dans White, ce sera, ce
Dans White, ça sera un
sera le
frigo.
frigo.
Ah oui, aussi quand ils étaient dans la cuisine, tout le monde était en mode: «Regardez derrière le frigo, regardez derrière le frigo!» Ah mais avoir les commentaires à côté, ça c'est drôle.
Oui. Donc, je pense qu'on a à peu près tout dit.
Je vois pas quoi d'autre dire, en
Mmh.
fait, il y a tellement peu d'infos qu'on va tout avoir dans
Ouais.
le débat.
Mmh. Je vais juste, repasser en revue une dernière fois le truc.
Et genre les dortoirs, il y a pas eu grand chose mis à part que les 2 ils ont tout pris.
Ouais, non, il y a pas grand-chose. Bon, évidemment, il y a le truc avec Tei et Ikeda là, mais
Ouais.
mmh.
Pas le
Non, il y a rien sinon. Ouais, plus rien.
il y a pas grand chose, hein.
Mmh.
Même en termes d'indices.
Mmh.
Bizarre.
Ouais. Donc bah, merci YouTube d'avoir regardé.
Merci YouTube.
Normalement, ce sera, bon pour nous, c'est la semaine prochaine, mais pour vous, on sait pas encore.
Dans un mois.
Peut-être. Sauf si je prévois peut-être de mettre l'enquête et le procès à la suite, je sais pas encore.
Bah là, ça fait plus d'1 heure qu'on est
Ouais,
déjà dessus, donc
ouais.
autant garder les trucs 1 heure, 1 heure, 1 heure, quoi.
Mmh.
Semble logique.
OK. Donc bah, du coup, merci YouTube d'avoir regardé et on se dit à la prochaine pour le procès. Au revoir YouTube.
Bye bye.